This is our 2014 Mini Cooper, and I'm replacing. Well, I've replaced this headlight here with this one. I just wanted to make an observation and a complaint to Mini. This is the assembly. This is the assembly that fixes the headlight in place. It's got this captured square nut on the bottom. The nut is captured by just some bent sheet metal. And it's a hex drive on top. And a standoff assembly. There are 3 of them. There's one there. There's one here that you... There's one there. And then there's one, oh, there. And then there's just a 10mm bolt there. I guess on prior Mini models there were just a few 10mm bolts. And so this job would take 10 minutes. Well, it's been about an hour so far just to get this thing out. And now I'm trying to put the new one back in. And so this is what that ridiculous assembly looks like. You see this square nut is captured by bent sheet metal wholly inadequately. I mean, it's ridiculous how bad that is. I wonder if I bend it together and weld it. You know what, that might... It's ridiculous that I should have to, but that might be my answer. But if you've got a... I guess it's called... It might be called an R56. I might have that wrong. But if you've got a 2014 Plus Mini Cooper and you want to replace your headlights... I don't know if you want to do it yourself or you want to have a pro do it, because if a pro does it, you're going to pay for their frustration. And if you do it yourself, you're going to be frustrated because, come on, BMW. Come on, Mini. That's just stupid.